Hello everyone, welcome back to Grad to Corporate. In today's video, we will discuss the two exciting opportunities for freshers and students in 2026. The first opportunity is from Data Engineering Internship from Laway, which offers a skyfund up to 60,000 per month. And the second opportunity is from Cornerstone off-campus hiring for the software engineer, where the expected salary can go up to 12 lakh per year. So watch the video completely to know the eligibility, roles and skills required. Lave has opened the application for DIH intern data engineering role in Bengaluru. This internship is a great opportunity for students who want to gain experience in data engineering, analytics and enterprise technology platform. The expected stipend for this internship can go up to 60,000 rupees per month. Lave is one of the largest home improvement companies in the world. The company serves millions of customers every week and operates more than 1,700 retail stores. The Lave India Technology Center is in Bengaluru, focuses on innovation in data engineering, artificial intelligence, and digital retail technology. During this internship, candidate will work with the engineering teams to develop the data platforms and analytical system. Interns may build the data pipeline, process large data set, and support data driven application used by the company. They will also gain the exposure to the enterprise technology tools and the real world data engineering workflows. Candidate applying for this internship should have a basic programming knowledge in the languages like Python, Java, or SQL. Understanding the database and big data technologies will help you a lot during this internship. Strong analytical thinking and problem solving skills are important for working with data engineering systems. Cornerstone has opened the application for fresh graduates through its off campus hiring drive. The company is hiring for software engineering and technical roles for the candidate with BE, BTech, or MCA degree. The expected salary for this role can go up to 12 lakh per year depending on the skills and interview performance. Cornerstone is a global cloud based software company that provides a talent management and learning solution. Many organizations use the Cornerstone platform to manage the employee training, performance, and workflow development. Working here gives a fresher exposure to enterprise software systems and the modern cloud technologies. In this role, the candidate will work on the development team to design and build the enterprise software application. They will write the clean code, fix the technical issues, and collaborate with the product managers and the quality engineers. Engineers will also participate in the code reviews and contribute to improving the software performance. Candidates should have a strong programming fundamentals and understanding of object oriented programming. Knowledge of languages like Java or Python and the basic database concept will help you during the selection. Understanding the software development lifecycle and the teamwork skills are also important. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes and follow all the instruction carefully. Always apply only to the official career portals. I have added the direct official link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for daily job updates. All the best for your applications. See you in the next video.